Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
This video explains how to connect Zotero 6 to Word 2016 or Word 365. I will cover installation, verification, and basic usage on Windows and Mac. Start by closing Word completely before you begin installation of the plugin. Keep Zotero running during installation to allow automatic plugin detection and activation. If you use 32-bit or 64-bit Word, Zotero detects the bitness for compatibility automatically. Follow each step slowly and pause the video if you need to check your version. Open Zotero and go to Edit, Preferences, then the Site tab and Word Processors. Click Install Microsoft Word add-in and wait for the confirmation message inside Zotero. If you do not see the Word toolbar, restart both Word and Zotero and check again. On Mac, use Zotero Preferences, Site, and click Install Microsoft Word add-in as well. If installation fails, run Zotero as administrator on Windows or reinstall the plugin from the Zotero installer. Verify the toolbar appears in Word after restarting both applications. Place your cursor where you want a citation and choose Insert Citation from the Zotero tab. Search by author, title, or year and press Enter to insert the selected reference. After inserting citations, choose Add Bibliography from the Zotero toolbar to create a formatted reference list automatically. If citations remain unformatted or appear as codes, click Refresh in the Zotero tab to reformat them. For persistent problems, reinstall the Word plugin. Update Zotero and update Office to ensure compatibility. Save backups of your documents.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.